G'day everyone. We're doing a quick update on the shares today, January 28. There's been a slight correction in the market overnight in the US and European market. So we'll see how that's impacted our share portfolio. So going straight into the CBA, the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, this is the overall 15-minute chart going back to middle of 2019. Just to remind everyone, this is the program we're using to trade along with the contracts open, and this second chart here shows a profitability if we buy and hold the shares without selling. So again, just a quick recap, where it's more profitable by buying and selling versus buying and holding. So anyway, in CBA, what's happened overnight? It's taken a big dump overnight. Well, sorry, for today. This is what's happened today due to the European and US market taking a dump overnight. It's taken a big hit, but then it's made a slight recovery, but we'll see how that goes and how that pans out. We're holding a number of positions there. Each of these is worth $2,000. So we're holding up there about 23 shares had you bought back here. So I'll keep an eye on that. The next one to look at is BHP. You can see here BHP has performed similarly. It's taken a dump. It's gone down yesterday, but it's taken a bigger hit today. So just to keep an eye on that. We've only 42 positions, 42 shares being held at the moment, worth $2,000. So that's coming towards still a profitability of $840 compared to $126 of buy and hold strategy. Johnson & Johnson. This wasn't impacted that much from the US drop, so it's gone down somewhat, but it's still fairly healthy. Hasn't broken down below the zero line, so our positions, 12 positions there, 12 shares, is doing okay. But again, keeping an eye on all these. JPMorgam. We're not in a position to buy any of those as of yet, so the CCI 200 is below the zero line, so we're still not in a position to open, so that's not impacting our profitability on that. If you look at the long term, that's doing quite well, so let's just keep an eye on it, see how it performs in the next few days, should it open. Caterpillar. Similar to JPMorgam, no buy positions at this point, so just wait and see, but that's performing quite well as well. It's a nice little uptrend, longer term, but no positions yet to open, so that's in a bit of a decline. We'll keep an eye on that. Telefonica from Europe. We've opened a position of 522 shares back 20th of January. So again, just hold that. It's in a slight decline, but yeah, nothing to panic about at this point. Volkswagen. That's also quite healthy. No positions yet to open. Although if that CCI 200 breaks above zero, it'll enter a trade, but that's actually performing quite well with no positions open at the moment. That's it for that bundle of shares that we're back testing and showing in these demonstrations. We'll keep an eye on it and get you any further updates to see how the market performs in the coming days. Thanks again, and speak to you